Murage or modern furniture Pacific. Murage amekuwa ndiye ambaye amekuwa akiongelewa leo asubuhi ya leo na aswa jana usiku, na hii ni baada ya video ambayo inamuonyesha Murage akiweza kumwimbia mkewe katika video fulani ambayo alipata kuieneza pale kupitia ukurasa wake wa kijamii wa TikTok. But right now kuna kitu fulani nataka tukizungumzia. You know, sometimes people make judgment. I don't know. Mara nyingi watu katika mitandao ya kijamii wanageuza maisha ya mtu yanakuwa yao. Ndio maana nataka tuzungumzie ile. There's something about Murage wa modern furniture. He is a 20-year-old. Let me ask you, hata kwa wale ma celebrity tunaowajua siku hizi wana vishilingi tu, na hizi vishilingi wamezitengeneza kwa ajili ya either mtu ameimba, either mtu act or something. But this young man, 28-year-old, do you know how many people Murage has employed? Do you know how many the net worth of Murage of modern furniture? Murage is worthy about a billion Kenyan shillings, about over 500 million Kenyan shillings. And let me ask, you people right now are finding it so easy to attack Murage of modern furniture kwa sababu aliweka video na mkewe pamoja na mwanawe, ile video ikionyesha Murage akiwa na furaha na mkewe ni kana kwamba alikuwa amelazimishwa kuimba. That's what Kenyans are saying, right? Now, Churchil Dambuki, Mwalimu Churchil Dambuki, or call him Mr. Kiengei, Mwalimu Kiengei, today on Classic 105 in the morning, was speaking about Murage's journey and building the empire that he has built. Murage's main branch is in Nyeri, modern furniture Pacific. Do you know, hakuna kiti kwa Murage wa modern furnitures utakipata na chini, let me say, a 5-seater utaipata na chini ya 50,000 Kenyan shillings. On Saturday, Murage wa modern furnitures launched his Nairobi branch, which is located at Bypass Ruiru. And it was the talk of the town. A very glamorous event attended by the women representative of Kiambu wa Muratha, the Senate of Kiambu, Karogo Wadangwa, Wambogo from Nyeri, the former MP, and many other people. Among them was Churchil Dambuki. About every great artist from the Mount Kenya region was there. Preachers, Bishop JJ and Bishop Reverend Ben, or call him MUTHEE Kiengei, were there. At the age of 28, this man has a workforce of over 100 people, 200 young men that have been employed. People don't look at the positivity of Murage, they are looking at what his wife was wearing. Let me tell you, Murage is 28. How old do you think his wife is? His wife maybe is 25 or 24. Now they have a kid together, very beautiful daughter, and the wife is very beautiful that. But she isn't used to social media. Not everybody is used to selling their happiness on social media. The wife to Murage is a woman that is so simple and elegant if you look at her. But you know, people will take it upon themselves to justify what they feel that the wife of Murage should be doing. Who hung to you? This woman is living the best of her life. Her husband has money. What does your husband has? Mmewe ana nini pumbavu wewe unamtukana Murage kwenye mtandao wa kijamii? Let me tell you, I went to visit the Ruiru bypass shop. Do you know ile kiti ya pesa mingi ni ya pesa ngapi? 500,000 Kenyan shillings. There is a 7-seater of 500,000 Kenyan shillings, and after launching the shop, that seat ilinunuliwa within a few minutes. Just that day, Murage sold things worth 5 million Kenyan shillings just after launching the Nairobi branch. But people don't see this achievement that this young man has attained. All they can look at is the negativity that comes out of this life. And that's why one thing about Reverend Ben and what he has spoken in regards, this is something that he has been directed mostly, let me say, to the story of Murage and his wife right now. I want to read this statement. Listen to it closely. The today's society, this is MUTHEE Kiengei Wawatoria, says, the today's society is so much entitled. When you marry a beautiful woman, she becomes theirs. When you make mistakes in that marriage, the mistakes belongs to you. When your business succeeds, it's theirs and the profits should benefit them. But when your business fails, the blame is that you didn't use your brain well. When you begin a successful ministry, they build a watchtower to oversee how everything is doing. Just wait until the church fails. Tulijua hawezi toboa. He just called himself or herself in the ministry. Huyo mafuta yake ni ya taa. The society will force you to stay in that marriage until you die. In your burial ceremony, they will be like, siwezi kaa kwa mtu bila akili, amekufa kama mjinga. When you divorce, huyo tabia zake si za ndoa. It did not begin yesterday. In the times of Jesus Christ, Zakayo, no one was interested in him when he conned people. When he overtaxed them, no one cared. Wait until he decided to meet and invited Jesus in his house for salvation. Village people gathered into groups. Now he says, when you begin becoming an important person, groups will begin gathering. The society is so much entitled. And that's what I'm saying. This man has built an empire for himself and his family, and the young generation is an inspiration to we youths nowadays. I am not supposed to go sell drugs. I'm not supposed to go there and start becoming a con man so that I will earn this amount of money, so that I will be as rich as Murage. I can start off a business with just the skills that I have. A Form 2 dropout, creating a business that is worth the millions of money and worth the billions. Right now, the governor of Nyeri recognizes Murage. The governor of Kiambu recognizes Murage. The deputy president of the nation also recognizes where this man has come from until to where he is. But you people don't see that. All you see is his wife. How will his wife has become the business and the talk of the town right now. Let's not feel entitled to people's lives while we only look at their personal life. Mkewe Murage mrembo, mwanawe mrembo, alafu nyinyi amwangalii ya kwamba huyu mtu amewaweka aje mkewe na mwanawe. I want to read a few comments pale kwenye TikTok ya Murage after posting the picture, because the story has been the talk of the town right now. I want to read it. Now, when you look at it, I can see Access Properties Deal says this photo is saying a lot. Why your wife looks so sad? She also looks scared. So many things happen behind the cameras. Cherry Brenda says, I'm not judging, but please wife, changamka kidogo, soon utapata mtu alishapata the love of his life. Esi Kadadi anasema, when I grow up, I would like to be Murage. Koroga, watch live from Dogonoi. Monica Gigi says, if you can be able, kindly put off your family on social media. Anyway, blessed family, mko smart boss. Now, mwingine Marianne Boro says, Samido once said Eddie was too serious for life. To a point he felt like he was around his mother. That's why he looked for someone to play with. So you mean that Murage's wife is so serious with life now? Mwache easy bana, mwache easy. And the couple is so young, man. 28, the wife is 24. She isn't used to social media. Alafu mke wa Murage anatoka Nyeri. That's how life is. You know, sometimes we behave on how we have been raised, on how we see life from our parents' perspective. Our parents never used to do TikToks. Our parents were never on Facebook. So why should I blame my girlfriend or my wife because she is not a bubbly on Facebook or TikTok? To such a nonsense or lie. Now that's what's up. I want to hear your comments in regards to this Murage story and his wife. Leave a comment on the comment section. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE Goko Neguito Natomweaga I Maria Maraimira Neda.